Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. As you can see from the title of the video, this is my look entry for the NYX Face Awards in the Philippines. So a little bit about this look. It isn't exactly inspired by the Birds of Paradise. I've actually done this look before and I needed a title. So I googled for like inspirations for the title, and then I saw colorful birds, and then I googled Birds of Paradise, hence why the title. So if you want to see how I did this look, please continue on watching. So I'll be using this is the NYX Pore Filler as my primer. As for my foundation, I will be mixing 2 shades of the NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat Liquid Foundation. Next I'll be using a corrector for my under eye area. So I have bad under eye bags. Blend that with your beauty blender a little bit. Then we're gonna take translucent powder to bake the under eye area. Now before you do that, make sure you blend again to make sure that there are no creases underneath your eye, because if there are and you set them, you're just basically setting the creases. So just prime your eyes with your favorite primer and your favorite base. So I'll be doing that and I'll be right back. So I've finished prepping my eye, and now on to the eyeshadow. Hello to a very up close and personal look at my face. We're gonna go in with the light blue color first onto the crease. Now when you fit it out, as you can see here, make sure it's not as strong as in this area. Make sure you drag it out lightly so the color is not as intense, so that it fades out to a much more lighter blue. So up next, we're going to take a deeper blue and put that in the outer V and the crease to deepen up and give our eye more dimension. Once it is at the intensity that you desire, we're going to apply the lid color next. But before that, I'm going to apply the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk on the lid to make sure that the color we're going to apply there is going to pop. Next, we're just gonna apply a silver color to where you apply the milk pencil. So next, because I'm gonna apply my eyebrows, I'm going to set my entire face so that when the eyebrows are done and I set my face after that, it won't mess it up. So to set my face, I'm gonna use the NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat powder in the shade Nude. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows next. So we're gonna take a mixture of maroon, a red, and an orange color to get the eyebrow color that we want. Okay, I just realized how hard it is doing this on cam and keeping it framed. So I'll be doing my eyebrows and I'll be right back to show you the rest of the makeup. So I'm done with the initial shape of my eyebrows, but this isn't the end eyebrow look that we're gonna go for. So I'm gonna show you the next step. So we're gonna take the same shade that we used for our eyebrows and we're gonna extend it down to the nose. A little bit to this area where you contour, but we're not gonna bring it all the way here. We're just gonna bring it around this area. Next up, we're gonna take a bright yellow color and put that on our brow bone as our highlighter. Next, we're just gonna take a nice forest green color and apply that on the lower lash line. So I decided to extend the green out until the temples. So to give the green underneath the eye a little bit more shine, we're gonna add a shimmery chartreuse shade to where we apply the green. So next is eyeliner. I'm gonna use this NYX Slide On gel eye pencil in jet black to rim the top and bottom waterline. I know it's so hard to do, but it's so worth the look. So I finished my waterlining, top and bottom waterline, and I finished my eyeliner, in which I winged the liner quite a bit out here, but in a very thin way. Also, I finished applying my lashes. I couldn't apply these lashes on camera because they are really big and they're fairly cumbersome to apply. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and we're gonna start off with contouring. So for this highlight, we're gonna use a really nice gold eyeshadow as a highlight. It's not gonna be a really super pigmented gold, it's more of a sheer gold. And we will be applying a very liberal amount of this highlighter. I nearly forgot this step, but because of the red down my nose, I definitely need to contour my nose as well. And then up next, we're gonna add jewels to our forehead. So after that, we're just gonna use a liquid liner to apply dots near the jewels and on top of our eyebrows. So the next step I'm gonna do isn't part of the look when I first created this, but I thought it would be nice to just add this. So I'm just gonna take a glitter liner and apply a few more dots above this jewel right here, because I feel like this look needs a bit more. So instead of using a bright red lipstick as I did in the original look, I will be actually using a deeper red this time around. So if you guys are having a hard time applying a red lipstick out of a tube, feel free to use a lip liner first as a guide and use a lip brush. So this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Okay, so I just added a few finishing touches before this, and then I let down my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any thoughts, feel free to comment it down below. And am I the only one who thinks that I could fly with these lashes on? These are so insanely huge. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, please subscribe if you haven't already. And until the next video, guys. Bye, everyone!